How to fix battery drain in Realme P3. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. Click on battery and scroll down, and here you can check your battery trainings app. Now click on a app who used most battery, and then here you can force stop this app. After that, go back to the main page of your settings and search here RAM expansion. Now if you turn on your RAM expansion, then turn it off. After turn off your RAM expansion, then go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset, and then click on reset phone. In last, you can see the option erase all data. Now click on it. Now enter your password to erase all your data. Erase all the data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.